Welcome to New Moon Bloom's weekly subscription services. This week we have an absolute joy of flowers to show you. Inside your box you will find a couple of different items. So we have your weekly subscription service information booklet. This shows you how to care for your flowers and tells you a little bit about our flower club. You have a QR code to this video. Just turn your camera on your phone, hover over the QR code and it'll bring you to this video. Our vase, so if this is your first week subscription, you will receive a complimentary frog prints vase. Some flower food, really important flower food. And your beautiful blooms. This week we have gorgeous Alstroemeria. And you will see here, during delivery we sleep, wakey wakey, fresh water and food please. This is really important. Your flowers have been sleeping while in transit. I like to organize myself and take my flowers ready. So you'll need a floral scissors or a kitchen scissors will do the job. You'll need some fresh water. And you'll see I've just unwrapped my blooms here and you will see Irish Eucalyptus, beautiful scented Irish Eucalyptus. Fabulous Alstroemeria. These are all in bud and you'll see them quite closed. These will open and I'll show you what they look like at the end of our video. As the weeks go on, Alstroemeria, the flower that just keep giving, they're so good. And you have some Irish grown Pinus. This is just all of Christmas cheer and beauty. And I'm going to start today by adding my flower food into my vase. This is a compostable sachet, so you can pop this straight into your compost. And your second flower food you should use about 3 to 4 days out. Empty the water, lift your flowers out, change the water and add in your flower food again. If you haven't watched one of our tutorials before, I'm going to run through and show you the best way to display your Pinus. Pinus comes and you will see two little tree-like shapes. So for me, I am going to cut this guy just about here and add him in to your vase. And you'll have a nice architecture, structure to hold up your flowers. You have little pieces left over. These are fantastic. You can put them in a little bud vase or use them to dress maybe some onto your Christmas tree. Look great. The next thing I'm going to add in is your eucalyptus. I'm going to make this arrangement today forward facing because it is for the sideboard in my sitting room. So all the flowers are going to be facing towards you. Very important, good sharp cut at an angle so that the flower stems aren't sitting flat on the base of the vase and they can drink. You'll get a much longer life out of your eucalyptus. We're angling the stems forwards and backwards at the bottom of the vase. I'm removing any leaves that sit below the waterline. Amazing. This is a really nice shape and structure. Moving on to your Alstroemeria now. Your Alstroemeria need a really nice sharp cut. So again, this should be cut at an angle, just like this. And the height, so the positioning will be the tallest stem goes straight in here. I like to vary the height and the shape in and out, so I've got three, one at the side here, place them out, one in the middle and then one at the back. Make sure you use lots of varying heights. I can see my vase is starting to come together. I feel like I need some more here. I'm going to cut this quite short. Add this Alstroemeria in here. Today you've 15 stems of Alstroemeria. If you feel your vase is quite full, you can always take these little guys and put them into bud vases along with your little pieces of Pinus. If any of your Alstroemeria are broken, I just clip them off. Sometimes they can break a little bit. You can chop just that one little bud off and leave it to the side. Just wiggle your stems really gently to get them in. Sometimes the vase is quite full. This is your beautiful Alstroemeria. Feel free to move your foliage around where you need it to go. As the week goes on, these buds will just open. And I'm going to show you a week-old vase of Alstroemeria that I prepared last week. And don't forget, your arrangements, your subscription flower club services can be weekly, fortnightly, monthly. You can pause it whenever you want, and you can gift it, and every subscription we donate €1 to Irish Women's Aid, and we also plant a tree. Thank you so much for watching our little tutorial. I hope you learned a few little bits and tips and tricks to keep your flowers fresh all week. Again, don't forget to change your food, change up the water, and please tag us on newmoonblooms.ie. We love to see your work. We're on Facebook and Instagram, and I hope these flowers bring you lots and lots of joy, and we cannot wait to send you your next subscription. Thanks so much. It's Sharon here.